This video will walk grantees through using the budget resource guides provided by OCA to assist in preparing the grant application and budget documents. In an effort to assist grantees in the preparation of the required GATA budget template spreadsheets, OCA has developed some resource documents to help guide you through the process. There are three primary resources we've provided. The first one is a step-by-step budget submission instructions. We've also created a cost grid, which details what category most costs could be included in, and a budget line-by-line requirements document that helps guide you through what costs can be included in each budget category of the budget template. All three are combined in one document. It is labeled the 2023 OCA Budget Submission Instructions, and it is available for download on the OCA Extranet. The first resource we've provided is labeled the Step-by-Step Budget Submission Instructions, and it outlines all steps required to complete the budget and other grant application documents. The second document is called the Cost Grid, and it provides a listing of common costs and in what line item they should be budgeted. There's also a budget line-by-line requirements. This document clearly outlines the minimum requirements necessary to accurately complete each of the tabs in the GATA budget spreadsheet. These step-by-step budget instructions will help guide you through all the steps required to submit both your budget and the grant application package for your OCA grants. This is a screenshot of the table of contents, and again, we encourage you to use this document as an overall guide to how to submit your budget and the grant application documents. We've developed the cost grid for each of the OCA grant programs to help guide you through what common costs should be charged to what budget line item. We've identified the cost in the first column, and then we've identified if it is allowed to be charged to program support in the blue column, if it is allowed to be charged to client assistance or admin or a special category. We've tried to include as many common costs as is reasonable from what we've seen through the budgets over the years, and we've tried to clearly identify what budget line items those costs can be included in. Hopefully this will help grantees determine which costs are allowable, specifically as program support compared to admin, which tends to be one of the most difficult tasks in completing the budgets. And again, we encourage you to utilize this grid to help you place the cost in the proper budget line item. We have also developed a budget line-by-line requirements document. The intention of this document is to help guide grantees through each budget category, clearly identifying what costs are allowed in that category, which specific costs should be charged to the admin category as opposed to program support, and some minimum requirements for the cost detail grid at the top portion of each tab that we've tried to clearly identify how that should be completed and what costs should be included, as well as what are the minimum requirements for the narrative section, what needs to be clearly identified and broken out to help all of your grant budgets get reviewed and approved quickly. We encourage you to utilize these guides to help you submit an accurate budget and avoid unnecessary delays resulting from the need for your budget to be resubmitted for corrections. Separate videos are available as guides to completing the individual cost tabs in the budget spreadsheet. Thank you for watching.